Oh yeah, we've still got that Arctic air mass. For the most part, the bulk of it is still shifted off to eastern areas from us. It's shifting to the eastern third of the country shortly, but we are still certainly seeing those cold temperatures. And so because of that, we have several winter weather alerts that are in place. We have a winter weather advisory. That's because we're going to see some snow coming onshore, and then over to the coast, we see there is an ice storm warning in effect for parts of Oregon, and that's because we're still seeing those cold temperatures and also some moisture moving onshore. So here's the moisture right now. You can see starting to make its way on the coast, and we expect this moisture to continue moving into our area, and we're expecting snow in the late night hours into the overnight hours. The snow will be starting first in Oregon and then spreading into portions of southwest Idaho. But back to the temperatures, here is what it looks like outside right now, still below zero in portions of eastern Idaho, but you can see definitely still cold throughout the area. And you can see why there's a risk of an ice storm in portions of the coast, because a lot of the coast is still below freezing right now. So that's why they're seeing an ice storm conditions, and that's why we'll continue to see those cold temperatures mixed with the snow, and that's why we're not expecting rain just yet. We've still got this cold air lingering around. So right now it's still 17 degrees in Boise, and with a little bit of a wind as well, so that's going to make it feel even colder once you step outside. So just be aware of that. We are still seeing those cold temperatures linger. And by the way, can we talk about how cold it was this morning? Negative 17 degrees was the low temperature for McCall, negative 27 in Stanley. And then if we look through valley locations, you can see lots of single digit temperatures, just 1 degree the low for Jerome. So thankfully we are expecting to warm up a bit tomorrow, but not so great that we're still talking about temperatures in the teens, but we will expect to heat up into the 20s tomorrow. And then we again are seeing those snowy conditions that are starting to move in, but we're not expecting a significant amount of snow with this particular system.
But pretty early in the morning, right?
Yes, very early in the morning all the way through the day. We're going to continue to see some chances for light snow.
Okay, Sophia, thank you.